Hello photography fans and welcome back to another video. Today on LensVid, we're taking a look at 4 little products that make our life a whole lot easier in the studio. Let's see what they can do. Today we're taking a look at another set of 4 little products that we've been using here on LensVid that we think you might want to try as well. If you're like us and have a number of different lenses with different filter threads and several filters that you work with, you know the horror that is step-up rings. We have a huge stack of step-up rings of all sizes, but it's a pain to carry them everywhere and find the right one every time, especially if you keep switching lenses and filters. HNY, which is a Chinese brand focusing on filters, came up with an interesting solution to this problem called Revo Ring, which raised over $500,000 last year on Kickstarter. The Revo Ring is simple but ingenious. It fits a specific popular filter size in the front, while in the back it is adjustable to connect to different size filter threads on the lens. The Revo Ring is basically a variable size step-up ring. It uses an iris-style mechanism to adapt one side of the ring to the size of the lens. The filter size, on the other hand, is fixed. It would be great if the filter size had its own iris, but maybe this would make the adapter too thick, which is not ideal. While the Revo Ring is more expensive than most step-up rings, it can save you space in your bag and a ton of hassle finding the right adapter. Prices range from $35 to $45 for a single adapter, and you can buy a set of 3 for $110. The second product on this list is a fantastic tool which has helped us out in so many difficult situations. This set of 6-inch pliers was designed to remove stripped, rusted and stuck screws, nuts and bolts. However, we discovered that it's also great for extracting all those stuck 1/4 inch 20 to 3/8 adapters that we use all the time without damaging the fine grooves. It can do this easily since it has both horizontal and vertical teeth, and it can be a lifesaver on set if you've got an important adapter stuck on a device that you're using. The Vamp Pliers 6 1/4 inch sells for $30 on Amazon. We've already bought 2 and might add another one to our camera bag so that we have one of these around at all times. You can also buy a set of 3 Vamp Pliers in sizes 5-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch for under $100. We recently covered the Gitzo Legend tripod, and although we liked it, just like we like many of the company's other travel tripods that we own, they're all missing one thing, and that is spikes. If you work in the field and you need your tripod to be more secure, spikes are important. But for whatever reason, Gitzo doesn't sell their high-end tripods with spikes, and they also don't sell the spikes separately. So we had to find a workaround in the form of this inexpensive set of 1/4 inch 20 spikes. While they're not very long, they seem to fit just fine, and they're better than no spikes at all. The price for a set of these spikes is $10 on Amazon, so you can buy an extra set just in case these get lost. We are always on the hunt for compact ways of attaching accessories to our various rigs. We especially love to use compact V-mount batteries for their high power capacity, D-tap option, and USB connections. Finding a low-profile, discreet way of mounting these batteries is not always simple, but the Mini V-Lock kit by Small Rig seems to do the trick. To attach this V-mount holder, there are 2 integrated 1/4 inch 20 screws, as well as 4 extra threads that you can use. This tiny mount fits our Sony a6500 cage nicely, and it can probably fit any other accessory just as well. The price for the Small Rig Mini V-mount lock is $22 on Amazon. And that is it for our quick look at these 4 little products. Go to our website at lensvid.com to read all about these. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.